other, right? So like the Haole side of your family or the Asian side of your family seems like it's in conflict with the Hawaiian side of your family. And that's how we grew up, with these internal conflicts. And it really left a bad impact on people growing up in my generation, I think, because they didn't really have self-acceptance. And so a lot of your parents and people that I grew up with, there's like, you know, when you look at the statistics of Native Hawaiians being like the largest population incarcerated, or the largest population with substance abuse, it's because when we grew up, we were in constant identity crisis, you know? So now I see that myself and my peers and my family thriving, and not just being conflicted by all our different cultures, but by being empowered by all of our different cultures. And so now I think as a teacher, I try to make it so that my students learn from all of their different genealogies and draw mana, draw power, draw ancestral knowledge from all of their different ancestries, not just Hawaiian. And I learned that from Tutu Lady, from my Hawaiian grandma.